So first of all, let's have a look at which fingers we're going to be using for this riff. You're basically going to be in the second finger position, which means your first finger is going to be covering fret 2, your second finger is going to be on fret 3, your third finger is going to be on fret 4. You don't need the fourth finger for this riff, so it's just these three that we'll be using, and they're all designated to those frets, basically. So the first few notes are going to be this. So it's going to be 0 on the low E string, and a bit of a longer note. Then, using your second and third fingers, we're going to play the 3rd fret and the 4th fret. Then after that, you're going to go with your first finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. And then you're going to use that first finger as well to hit the 2nd fret of the D string. And then we play a 0, an open D string at that point. Okay, and you'll notice that when I went from 2 on the A string to 2 on the D string, I did a little technique called a roll. Sometimes if you use the tip of your finger on both of those notes, it can kind of cut off the flow of the notes. So what we're actually doing here is we're playing with the tip of your finger on the A string. Then on the D string, what you can do is roll your finger down. Use a little bit further up the first finger to play that 2nd fret of the D string, which will make it sound a lot smoother as we go. So anyway, why don't we put together that whole first half? It's going to go like this. Okay, then after that, it goes back to the 2nd fret of the A string. But then it goes up to the 4th fret of the D string with your 3rd finger. So that's just going to be 1, 3. I'm talking finger-wise there. Frets 2 and 4 though. Then you finish off the riff by going back to 2 on the A string. Then playing 0 on the D string. And then 2 on the D string. So that second half is going to sound like this. Do look out for where the gaps are in the tab to see where those slightly longer notes are, because this 0 at the start is longer, but then the next 5 notes are all the same length. Apart from the D note that's held on a bit longer, then it goes 2, 4, longer note there, and then 2, 0, 2 at the end, like this. The next riff that comes in the song is actually identical. Same frets, same shape, and same fingers, but it's going to be all upper strings, starting from the A string. So it's going to go like this. So simply take everything that we did in riff 1 and just move it all upper string. And again, it's going to sound like this. And if you want to play a verse of the song, all you have to do is put it in this order. We're going to play riff 1 twice in a row. Then it's going to go to riff 2 once. And then back to riff 1 once.